guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and I'm going to talk about some mystic rock ballad guitar licks. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So what are we talking about today? I'm going to show you. Yo, stuff like that. You can already hear it. I have a lot of delay on my sound. This is one of the parts to make it sound really extremely wide. And as you can hear, ping pong delay, left, right. If you can do that, do ping pong delay, and up to 7 repeats, and that's probably the optimal mix on this type of rock ballad guitar stuff. If you have the sound like this, you probably think it's too much delay. You know, now it's oh man, it's so much. But when it's in the sound, it really helps you to widen up the sound. Yo. So now let's get started, and I'm going to show you a few ideas what you can do with this type of sound. And the backing track here is a recreation of Is This Love by Whitesnake, just the first part. I found that really cool to do this type of soloing because I really enjoyed the guitar solo by Steve Vai there. And there I got a few ideas what you can do on this here. So let's get started. Okay, to show you the licks, I switched off the delay to not disturb your learning process. And this is a really high gain sound setting with compression. So as the advantage, has a lot of sustain. So you're gonna have to do a lot of work here on the fretboard to make this sound really wide and, you know, really mystical. So one thing which is really cool is when you do melodic solos on one string. This backing track is in E minor, so it's really useful when you know the E minor scale on one string. So that will be this one. Okay, first learn this. Better you also know it on the B string. Okay, and already with that you can do a lot of cool stuff. And one trick is when you play melodic phrases on one string, you can make them more intense by adding more pinch harmonics while you proceed. You know, here it even overloads the system with this extreme sound, but in the full sound you will not really hear that so much. It's more about the intensity while you go up. Okay, so now let's do a little thing, and what you can do is to make, you know, big melodic jumps, you know, like. What I really love is when you sit on the 9s and the 11s. The 9 will be the F sharp and the 11 will be the A. So what you can do is you start here on the F sharp and then you slide up to the high F sharp, so that you don't have an octave jump, you have something, this is like a major 7 jump, and this major 7 jump gives you a really cool vibe in your... Let's see how that works with the sound. I'm gonna switch on the delay again. See, I was now switching between the F sharp and the A, so the 9 and the 11. And also what is cool when you make the reverse slide down and do asymmetric interval jumps, not octaves. Octaves sounds a little bit boring. We can do from here to the B and then back to the F sharp. Yo, see, I also sometimes have orientation problems, so let's do this now. See, that works really cool. So you can make any kind of interval jumps and just play it on one string. What is also a cool thing is when you want to have when you leave the melodic part, then you can add some so you make a little run here, a little legato run. What you do is open string, and then you slide up in the next tone of the scale. That can sound really cool if you make it a cool timing here. See, works really cool. One of the problems is when you play with a lot of delay. Of course, you have to be really precise in what you do. So better make sure you're really precise. If not, you just reduce the amount of delay. You can play the whole thing without delay, of course. You can hear the difference. I mean, it still works, but it loses the wideness of the sound. I'll show you. Also works. Yo, in general, big intervals are like a key to this mystical melodic sound. And what really is nice is when you do something like this. So here we make this, here we start again on the F sharp. The 9 in general is a great note to really work around. And again, now you move this motif up. And if you can time this properly, it can be really cool. So that's really a great idea to get your things done. What also can work, if you make little arpeggios. In this case, the tune is in E minor, so you make an E minor arpeggio. Here. But you resolve it on again on the 9. Let's see how that works. Or here in the high position. Let's see how that works. I will do it like this. Yeah, all stuff, just some ideas how you can put in the F sharp or the A into your soloing, and this creates this mystical, emotional rock ballad guitar sound, and that's the basic trick behind it. And just leave a lot of space. Some guys play many notes, but if you have a really good tone control, you can only work melodically just on one string. You can make the whole solo on one string here if you want, and that's pretty cool, and it works. I'm going to show you as a final note. These were a few ideas how to create this mystical sound into your rock ballad. Just some licks. I'm going to write down a few of these examples I showed to you as tabs, and you can download the tabs plus this backing track here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join them with a free member account, but to download it you need a premium member account. And if you love my work, which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community, please make a premium member. Upgrade anyway. This way you support the work which we are doing. One more to say. Be inspired and rock on. Bye guys.